There you go.
Fresh out of the box.
Oh, that's pretty. Oh, wow. She's beautiful. That is a nice color blue, babe. He named her Sunshine. I wanted to name her Sapphire, but he wants to name her Sunshine.
Sunshine, blue skies.
Remember? Oh, yeah, that's a good one. But he's doing it because
Harlem Nights.
Harlem Nights. Go ahead, say it. Say it.
Yeah.
When Richie called home, said, put your mama on the phone. I ain't never coming back.
Watch your back, babe. Watch your back.
I'm saying that about Harlem. I ain't never coming back home. That's it.
Okay.
Right here.
I
That's
get
it.
Now. I
Right
get
there.
It.
All of that now. All of that.
Get a picture?
No, I didn't take a picture yet. Sorry. Yeah, Germany. I can't wait to take this bike to Germany. You know we took the Harley. We shipped the Harley over there.
Oh yeah, I
Spring
remember
Road.
you told me that. Yeah.
I got it now, babe. I'm videoing and taking pictures. There she is. Let me get closer. Woohoo! You know I'm thinking of Beamer Dream right now, right? 'Cause she always says to video it this way. But I'm doing it this way. She's beautiful. Very beautiful color. Wow. Woo! Oh yeah, this is nice right here. Okay. She's very beautiful.
My body got the top taped off. They can do all that.
Yeah. They're gonna have to cut these things. Type right here. And roll up.
Very nice.
Keith, you got it already?
Look in the side bar.
There it is. The key. What is that for? The battery?
No, this is for the heated seat.
Oh yes, that'd be my area.
Yeah.
Make sure that plug works. No, all of it. And these grips, yeah. I'm still gonna have heated clothes on though. I'm not gonna go to Alaska with just heated seats. Oh no, we're not going to Alaska on this bike. We're going on the other one.
Can we stand by the side?
Okay. I can't take it with the. Okay. So are we done videoing?
Yeah.
Let me see. Just stand right there and smile real quick over here. So I'm still videoing. You got anything to say? All right.